What's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. So, buying Bitcoin is easier than ever with MoonPay. And MoonPay. So, here's how you can do it securely. The first thing that you will have to do is, of course, open your MoonPay and make sure that you've already created your profile, your verification of your account, and activating your portfolio and all that stuff so that your transaction will be smooth. So what you will have to do is you will look for the buy feature, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then you will look for Bitcoin, which is right here, and you will just have to basically enter the amount that you would want to purchase, and after that you will just have to click continue with Bitcoin, and then you will choose your payment method, such as it could be debit card, bank transfer, or Apple Pay. It really depends on you. And after all that, you will just have to complete your identity verification, which is ID and your selfie if prompted. And then after all that, you will just have to confirm your transaction and wait for BTC to appear in your MoonPay wallet. And yeah, that's basically just it. And your Bitcoin should now be safe in your wallet and ready for transfers or investments. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.